Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the external drive is readable and contains the backup. Connect it via USB or Thunderbolt, enter any encryption password, and wait for macOS to mount the volume. Once mounted, open Finder and inspect the backup folder or Time Machine volume to ensure files are present. This avoids mid-restore failures. If you're using a cloned disk, check its integrity with Disk Utility first. Make sure your Mac has sufficient power and a stable connection before moving to the next step. Next, decide whether you need a full system restore, user migration, or file-level recovery. For a full Mac OS restore, reboot holding Command-R and choose Restore from Time Machine Backup. For user data, open Migration Assistant in Applications Utilities. Select the external drive and then the backup snapshot or date you want. Once selected, choose the destination disk and start the restore. This can take hours depending on size. Make sure you don't interrupt power or disconnect the drive while files are copying. Finally, after the restore completes, restart the Mac and verify your apps, documents, and settings. You may need to re-sign into iCloud, reauthorize apps, or update system settings. If something goes wrong, check console logs for errors and run first aid in Disk Utility on both backup and target disks. Once done, if permissions or startup problems persist, reset NVRAM or boot into safe mode and try a selective file restore. This sequence resolves most problems and gets you back to normal quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.